Okay, hi Ajay. I am Rakesh Jagwal. I am going to take the mock interview of Ajay Pilla, who is recently going to appear for the SIMS interview. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Ajay, right.
Sir.
Ajay, please introduce yourself.
Yes. Hi, sir. Good morning. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ajay. I am from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Coming to my academics, I have done my BTech in Mechanical Engineering in Visakhapatnam Institute of Engineering and Technology College with 71 percentage, and I have done my diploma in Mechanical Engineering from Behra Polytechnic College with 81 percentage, and I have done my schooling in Ravindra Bharati School and I scored 9 CGPA. And coming to my family background, we are four members in our family. My parents, me, and my younger brother. My father is also works in merchant navy, and my mother is an homemaker. And my brother is currently pursuing his class 12. In my free time, I love to watch movies and to play cricket, and I also cook. That's all about me, sir.
Okay, Ajay, that's well introduced. Uh, Okay, so you said your father is also in merchant navy. So can you
Yes,
please
sir.
tell us more about it? Like on
Yes, sir.
which
My
post
father is
and in which
yeah,
company he is sailing right now?
yeah. My father is currently sailing in as a able seaman (AB), and is currently in sailing with VR Maritime Services Private Limited Company.
Okay, we are. So I hope you are well aware of the risks from the ship and from the sea,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Okay,
yes, sir.
so uh, tell me something like you said your brother is also studying in class 12, right?
Yes.
So do you help him to solve some sort of questions if he's stuck?
No, no. Honestly, I don't involve in his studies and all,
Okay,
and he
okay,
will
great.
study on his own.
Okay, I understand. So Ajay, so my first question is to you
Sir.
from the non-tech only. Okay. So, can you please tell me the names of some ports in India?
Okay. From Vishakhapatnam port, I Mum-
Okay,
Mumbai and
okay,
Cochin, and that's all. That's
okay.
all I remember, sir.
Uh, just tell me some the countries of European names of some countries from the European. Like,
European countries. Okay, like Germany,
okay,
Italy, Poland, France,
okay,
Russia,
great. So, tell me some continents name.
continents.
Yeah,
Uh, Asia, South America, North America,
okay,
Europe, Australia, and Arctic, Antarctica.
okay, great. So, which is the biggest continent and which is the smallest continent?
Biggest is like Arctic,
Okay, smallest one?
smallest Australia.
Okay, great. So, what is your percentage in your BTech?
71% is
So, convert it into CGPA.
CGPA. It's like 7.65.
Are you sure?
Not sure,
Okay,
and I don't know converting. So
okay, okay. No issues. Who is our president? right now.
President is Draupadi Murmu.
And Vice President?
So Vice President
Okay, Ajay, it's Jagdeep Dhankar, sir.
Jagdeep.
Yeah.
Okay.
So some more questions to cool you down. So you some okay. So northeastern states.
Northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh,
Okay,
Assam,
okay,
Mizoram,
okay,
uh, Na- Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura,
okay,
Sikkim.
okay. Enough.
Yes,
So how many states are there in our India? Do you know?
28 states.
And how many UTs? Ajay,
So
UT, Union Territories.
yeah, like eight union territories in India.
Okay. You said you're from Vishakhapatnam, right?
Yes, sir.
So, can you please tell me the name of your CM,
Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy,
Jagan Mohan Reddy, okay. And CM of Maharashtra?
CM of Maharashtra,
Any other CM, you know, like
like
from
from
any other
Telangana,
state,
I know.
any other
From
except?
Telangana, it's
Okay, go ahead.
K. Chandrasekhar Rao from Telangana.
Okay,
From Karnataka, it's from Tamil Nadu, it's M.K. Stalin.
okay,
Yes, sir. From Karnataka,
who is our Home Minister?
our Home Minister Jay Shah,
No, it's Amit Shah.
Amit
Uh,
Shah, Amit Shah, sir. From cricket, I said.
okay, and who is our Finance Minister?
Finance Minister is Nirmala Sith.
Okay, so let's come on the technical part. What do you mean by
Okay.
CP and CV?
CV is the constant pressure, sir, and CB is a constant volume.
Okay,
We represent with
just brief it out.
yeah, like CP is always greater than the CV.
Okay,
Yeah, like because if we
okay. Tell me
um,
why CP is greater than CV.
yeah, at a constant pressure when we heat, it develops its internal energy
Okay,
and the expansion of volume is there.
okay,
And when at a constant volume, if we heat the substance, we'll develop only internal energy.
okay,
That's, that's
okay. No issues. What are the boiler mountings? You know.
boiler mountings
Yes.
like safety valve,
Okay,
pressure, air vent cock,
okay,
scum blow down valve,
okay,
scum valve, blow down valve, and like usable plate and water level indicator, that is
okay,
gauge glass, and pressure relief and that's
so that's all. You're missing some points. You know. Okay, no issues.
Yeah, there is 10, but I don't remember.
Okay. Oh, no issues, no issues. So, how
Yeah,
we can measure the flow rate?
sir, not clearly visible.
Not clearly visible.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
So, how we can measure the flow rate?
How can we measure the flow rate? We can measure the flow rate through the flow me the measuring instrument, sir.
Yeah. Can you please tell me the name of that flow meter?
Yeah, okay, sir. The to classify flow meters, we have like four types, like velocity type flow meter through velocity and from pressure differentials and from mass flow from measuring mass flow rate. From velocity type we use turbine type orifice,
Okay.
turbine type magnetic and vortex. And in from uh, through pressure differential, like we use orifice type venturi meter flow meter, sir.
Okay. Great. So, what do you mean by
And from
Pascal's law?
Pascal's law,
Yeah.
uh, in a confined space, when a pressure is applied to a liquid, it it jets and pushes all the force in all directions. Same amount of pressure in all the directions.
Okay. So, that fluid is compressible or incompressible?
Incompressible.
Okay. So, what do you mean by Boyle's law?
Boyle's law. It is at which temperature is kept constant and pressure and velocity are inversely proportional to each other.
Okay. What a example? Just let me know about the example.
Like example, like I can give the syringe.
Okay. Cylinder. Okay.
Yeah,
So, what are the types of heat?
heat, latent heat and sensible heat.
What is latent heat?
The heat which is required to change the phase of a substance, phase change.
Okay. What do you mean by Archimedes principle?
Sense Archimedes principle.
Yeah.
Okay. Archimedes principle. Okay. When a body is immersed fully or partially in a liquid, the amount of volume displaced by the object is equal to the upward force.
What is upward
That is
force?
buoyant force.
Okay. Great.
That is the buoyant force. The buoyant force is the amount.
Okay. What do you mean by CC?
Cc. It is the cubic capacity of an engine, sir.
Okay.
Like we can measure in formula like pi by 4 d square into h into n. Like d is the bore dia, h is the stroke length, and n is the number of cylinders.
Okay. Tell me the difference between two-stroke and four-stroke.
Yeah, in, in those two. Okay, really, I'm not able to
Just
recall.
be calm. No issues.
Yeah, no problems. So in two-stroke engine, the whole process is completed in two strokes, like suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust. And in four-stroke, the whole process like suction, compression, expansion, and exhaustion is completed in four strokes, right?
Four strokes of what?
Four strokes of the piston.
Okay, go ahead.
In two-stroke, the torque is developed is more than in the four-stroke.
What do you mean by talk?
Okay. Torque is the power that the
Okay, go ahead.
brother, I'm unable to recall all the differences. I'm now revising all. I didn't revise.
Okay, no issues.
Yeah, yeah.
Tell me some the names
I'll
of lathe machine, parts of lathe machine.
parts of lathe machine is like headstock, tailstock, bed, carriage, tool post, lead screw, that's
That's all.
lead screw and guideways,
Yeah.
chuck.
Okay. So tell me what is Fleming's left-hand rule?
Fleming's left hand rule, like the upper we have the thumb indicates the direct the thumb, like thumb indicates the up. I'm unable to recall, bro. Straight back.
Okay, no issues.
The magnetic force, the thumb indicates the magnetic force, and the forefinger indicates the direction,
Okay,
and the finger indicates the current.
okay. What is yield strength?
Yeah, yield strength, no, no
No idea.
definition.
Okay. Explain the VCRS system.
Yeah, VCRS system. It's a vapor compression refrigeration cycle in which there are four components are there, four major components like compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. And the working fluid is the refrigerant. And should I explain all the processes, sir?
Just tell me about the thermostatic expansion valve. What is the function of it?
Yeah. Yeah, okay. The thermostatic expansion valve works as an orifice device which the fluid, the liquid from the low pressure, high pressure, and high temperature liquid from the condenser will, will comes to the thermostatic expansion valve, at which the the velocity increases, the pressure and temperature of the fluid decreases, at which the due to the velocity increases, some phase change happens, some amount of liquid is converted into vapor, and that vapor plus liquid refrigerant flows to the evaporator.
Okay. So basically, what is thermostatic expansion valve do?
It
You
is
tell me
like
the
a
whole
throttle.
process, but you didn't tell me the single thing what it is, what he did.
It is
What
a
is the function of it?
throttling device. It is a throttling device which pushes the liquid uh, from evaporate through to evaporator. sir. I exact definition I can't remember, sir.
Okay,
Like I'm a bit nervous.
don't be nervous. It's just a mock interview. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so tell me the why we are choosing that two-stroke engines on ship.
Two-stroke engine ship. Like
Yeah, why we are choosing it.
the two-stroke engines develop more power, sir, than the four-stroke engine. I think that's the main reason.
Okay, what do you mean by enthalpy?
Uh, it is like the definition I can't remember. Like from gas to liquid, from liquid to solid. Like it is the amount of heat content present in the substance.
Okay, no shit. Explain the centrifugal pump. What are the? Don't explain it fully. Just tell me the parts of the centrifugal pump.
The parts of the centrifugal from the suction side, it is from filter and the non-return valve, that is foot valve, and suction pipe,
Okay,
casing, impeller, eye of an impeller, and like from discharge valve and discharge pump.
okay. You're missing something.
Yeah, casing, impeller, eye of an impeller,
Okay, no issues. Just
shaft, and it is connected to motor.
okay, great. So tell me the difference between spark ignition engine and compressed ignition engine.
In spark ignition, at the suction, the mixture of air and fuel takes place, and it is compressed, and the spark is given in the combustion chamber, and it combusts, and the expansion will takes place. In the CA engines, the only air is drawn and it is compressed, and in the combustion chamber, the fuel is injected to the compressed air. That the power stroke will happen.
Go ahead.
Yeah, that's uh,
That's all.
differences.
Yeah. There's some more differences. You have to write it
Yeah,
down
okay, should I tell
and
differences?
learn it. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And my second last question from for you is just let me know about the Faraday's law.
Okay. Faraday's law.
Yeah.
When electric current is induced, Faraday's first law, and it's induced when contain definitions, bro. I studied how to do this.
No issues, no issues. Just be calm and tell the answer. Whatever you know, just explain it. Try to explain it.
Yeah, bro. Faraday's first law, which is used to the direction of a current. Faraday's law.
Go ahead.
Yeah, bro. Once I recall, like, yeah,
Okay. So
I'm not prepared fully,
tell
bro.
me any co-curricular activities you are doing or you have done in your schools or in college.
yeah, co-curricular activities like I've done. Mm, like I usually play cricket a lot, brother.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. And I participate, and then nothing I participated in cultures like now, and I
Okay.
don't participate.
Okay. No issues. Just let me know about the strength and weaknesses.
My strengths are like I'm a hardworking person, sir,
Okay.
and I'm a fast learner,
Okay.
and I'll fastly learn anything, sir. And my weaknesses are I'm compared to less confident, self-confident. I'm trying to improve,
How you're trying to
and
improve it?
like by talking to people,
Okay. So you're
like
kind of introvert person, right?
yeah,
Okay. So don't you think that it is affecting your career? Like merchant navy is like a full job of hectic. You have to work on the ship like 6 hours, 6 off on the
yeah,
ports. Okay. And you're staying away from your family. No one is there to care for you. Just you have
okay,
to. You are just alone in the mid sea, right?
yeah, yes,
So, and you said me your strength is you are a fast learner. So, how
yes,
this
sir.
is going to help you on board ship?
Yeah, if I don't know anything on the ship, I can learn from the seniors, and I can and I fastly I can work on it, sir.
Uh,
And I,
no issues. So, just let me know about your final year project. What you have done in your final year project.
yeah, my final year project is on like so uh,
So, you have bought it from somewhere and show it to your faculties, right?
yeah, bro, that's good.
It's not good.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I have
Okay,
the PDF. I learned some basic keywords from there.
okay, that's your choice. Okay, so do you know any machineries that we are using on board ships?
Yeah, the
Yes.
main engines and the auxiliary engines
Okay,
and like generators and pumps.
okay,
These all missions, sir.
okay, okay, bro. So power supply. Do you know some power supplies like why we are using only the 650 hertz and 220 volts? Do you know?
Like all the are manufactured like that, bro. Like all the devices, the power appliances we use with the standard.
Okay,
I don't know the exact reason.
no
And
issues. So Ajay, all the
so
very best for your interview. Okay,
yeah, bro.
just prepare some basics, clear your basics first, and try to mock up or try
Yeah,
to
bro.
learn your some basic definitions. From my side, I am just wanted to tell you just focus on some your basics. Okay,
Okay.
since it's only asking for the basics, they need only basics. They are not going to ask you so many tough questions. And just wait. And I ask you some questions like two-stroke, four-stroke differences.
I'm unable to recall like that
So
instantly.
you have to learn it properly. Okay.
Yeah, bro. I'll mug up.
Okay. And
Okay, saying
yeah, I told you some home minister name.
yes,
You're not aware of it. So
Amit
just
Shah.
be updated.
Okay.
Okay. That's all from my side. All the very best for your interview.
Okay.
Uh,